Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Life. We had quite a busy day and we ended up stopping by a Christmas tree shop while we were out. So we did a quick little browse through the store and this is what we ended up buying. This little critter here is a hedgehog. It is a draft blocker for the door. It helps keep the draft out, obviously. Self-explanatory. I think he was $8. There it is, $7.99. The kids really got a kick out of that. We have one, but it's been beat up over the last few years, but it was just a standard foam door, you know, a draft blocker, but just a standard basic one. So they thought that this was really cute. I actually ran in because I've been wanting to grab some new containers for my kids. I like to make them fun lunches, sometimes at home, but often when we have like homeschool days out, like co-op days and stuff like that. And I came across these. It is a nice container with a good closure right here. They come with a fork and a knife, and also there's an ice pack inside there. And as you can see here, they were $2.99, marked down to $1.49. So I grabbed two, one for each of my kiddos. I also came across these little sets here. This is a 10-piece kitchen set of nice containers. It was originally $5.99, upside down, but marked down to $2.99. And here I was looking for small containers this size, and I found quite a few. They were anywhere from like $1.50 to $4. But this package has two of that size. There's two more smaller ones within those two, if that makes sense. And then the larger container as well. So that was an amazing deal. I ended up grabbing 3 of those. One for us, one for my mother-in-law, and one for my mother. So 3 of those, that was a really good deal. My husband actually spotted this and asked me what I thought of it, and I said, yeah, go ahead. Let's try it out, and if we like it, he's going to go back and grab a few more. It was just $19.88, but it's like a motion sensor spotlight. It's supposed to be really bright, so we will see how that works out. It's been a long time since we actually bought them Play-Doh, so they're excited for that. I found this ceramic butter dish. I think it's a butter dish. That is what I use them for. A few years ago, I bought a Thanksgiving themed one from the Christmas tree shop as well. I think that one was $1.99 when I bought it. But this one was just $1, you guys. I love it. So pretty. And then I ended up grabbing a few ornaments. This one here caught my eye because I've been noticing little globe ornaments at multiple stores, and I keep grabbing them, and then I end up putting them back because they're usually like $5 to $6, sometimes $7. Or, you know, I just didn't love the color scheme or whatnot. But I came across this one and I actually love the colors. And you guys, it was just $1.49. This year it's going to go on our main tree, but I'm thinking next year to put like a small Christmas tree in the kids' homeschool area. So I think next year it'll go in their homeschool area. I grabbed 2 angels for our family tree. I originally grabbed 3. I don't know, I tend to go for 3 since we have 3 children, my stepdaughter and my 2 young children. But before we checked out, I noticed that the wing was torn. So I ended up only grabbing 2, but that is fine. They're really pretty, and they were also $1.49. We actually have a Kia Soul. So it's not that large, but this, you know, this is a car, but I was like, you know, it kind of looks like our Kia Soul. So I thought it was really cute, and I love these holiday car decorations. I usually pass them up, but I just really, really wanted to get this one. It is so cute. There are presents on top. This card lights up with like LED lights on the inside, and the kids are going to love seeing that hanging on our tree. Actually, this could be a cute little knick-knack. Maybe I won't put it on the tree. I'm not sure. We'll see. This was a mistake, I guess. I didn't realize it was magnetic. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about our wreath now, because I wanted to hang this onto our mirror. It's obviously not going to adhere to the mirror. But that was $2.99 in case you are looking for one of those. I just left everything else behind it because it's actually helping to hold it up for now to show you guys. But tell me if you like this wreath or not. It's quite classic. I love the colors. It sort of matches with everything that we do have. We do not have tons of Christmas decorations. We tend to buy a little bit you know, every year and sort of add to what we already have. But I love this wreath, you guys, and it was not expensive at all. This was $19.99. I'm not sure where the tag is. But that's everything for today. Thank you for watching. Happy Vlogmas, Merry Christmas, and I will see you tomorrow.